just unboxed him, and I'm going to show you it right now. Here he is.
He is amazing. And he is way bigger.
Look at that detail. Isn't he absolutely so cool?
Mm-hmm.
And he even lights up too.
And his mouth right there.
I'm figuring out how to position his hair best, but yeah, pretty sick. Not much else to say about him, but like, look at that. Oh, so cool, so detailed. To my four Novelties. Look at that. And he's still squishy, the latex. Amazing. Man.
Look at his teeth
Premium
are even
detailed.
His teeth.
Mm-hmm. Just such detail.
Yeah.
But this thing took an absurd amount of time to detail. I mean, to ship. It took 15 days to get it to me.
And
15.
And even a ton of detail.
I bought it on the 10th of April, and today is the 25th. The day that I'm recording it. Man. So yeah, we were just really excited to unbox him. So we kind of did it off camera, so. Comment down below your thoughts on this. Just look at the detail on that. Just like, so awesome. Nothing can beat that. I know it's not an animatronic, but it's just still so legendary. Just so peak. Yeah, it even has little rats in there. Just very, 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 very detailed. And also, which is kind of strange, his lights just show like right there instead of being actually just in his eyes. I guess because it's latex, it can't like come through. But it's just absolutely amazing. Give it some close-ups. This is gonna be this is the first unboxing of this on YouTube. First unboxing of it. Here's the hands. This one's actually a little dented right here. But it's no big deal. This is actually just the first like detailed video of it really on YouTube. So that's like really cool. Yeah. Pretty awesome. Chains. And then this cloth, very high quality. Feels very high quality. It comes in this battery box right there. And then nice hair. I'm gonna re-glue that. It's actually kind of falling off right there. But no big deal. And then back here, it's just a half head actually, and it's connected by some wire to the body. Just the body frame right there, and has some more chains like that. Just some black fabric, some wires down there. It just looks amazing, bro. So, yeah. And that'll be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.